JP Bukini Video Production.
Okay guys, we're trying to fix the some kind of weird noise coming now from the passenger air vent for the AC. Go ahead, hit it. Let me show them what is the noise. Put it high. High. It's making like its own kind of sound. I don't know if you can hear that. Like a little, like a touching, like something is touching the blade of the fan. Anyway, we're gonna open that. Okay guys, we gotta go in the little panel right here. So the car is a little hot right now. This one is BMW 528i 2011. You gotta remove this. Man, it's pretty hot. Okay. Let's see. Then we take the pan off. Oh, there's another one in the corner. You can't see that, but it's right here. I got 3 of those. Put it right here. Then you're supposed to take this panel. We got 3 screws. I mean 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh, this one needs to start. Okay, now we gotta loosen the bar. Support bar. Okay, so it's loose now. I use this. Okay, one. Look at the other side. This one. Kind of still hot. Okay, it's pretty high. There you go. I use the dryer. Made my life a little easier. Okay, I have to take it off a little bit, pull it, and leave it like this. That's it. Now, those screws, they start. Yeah, this is the start bit. It's one there, another one on the other side, each side. Okay. This one. But also we gotta get those one to take that panel away from them. see. Take that pan first. I like to go all the way down. Okay, cool. Take the screw off. Let's put it back there. Okay, now I gotta loose that thing. It's a little dirty, that's why. I bet you a lot of leaf inside. Drop it. Come on. Throw everything away. Okay, let's see how many more screws. I see it's one there. Let's see how can I get there. Well, I gotta get a small screwdriver for that one. There's another one down here. One more. The other one is where? 1, 2, 3. Hey, it's hot. One here. I gotta get something else for that. I'm used to this. This is the special tools for that. Because the space is small. There's not much space here. What is it right here? Okay. Okay, there you go. Okay, it's coming up, but this is the pan on there doesn't let me work out pretty good. It's right here. Let me see, how can I get an angle? I can get it pretty well. Well, my finger. Oh yeah. I got it. Okay, now this is the cover. The blower cover. Let's see, it's a sensor that you gotta disconnect right here. It's a little uncomfortable sometimes. Let me get it off. Okay, it's a sensor. The sensor, we gotta disconnect it. See, look how many debris the thing has there. Look at this. Dang, the thing is already broke off already. I can use this as a helmet. Now this is the thing that's causing all of this. Plus this one gotta be inside the blower. So I gotta check the blower now. This is the blower, BMW 61 part number is, I think it's that one there. So this one is screwed right here. I think this one is only 3 screws. The allergy is killing me, the pollen. Okay, so we got one. I think this one here too. Okay. Pretty hard and some place here. Let's see if I see it. Oh yeah, it's all the way down there. All the way down here. I should get my other screwdriver, small one. Dang, that thing's dirty like hell here. Okay. No, the magnet's not working because that tip is too long. Come on. Okay, I got it. Yeah, the magnet is not working because the magnet's not working. The tip is too long, so I don't know. Doesn't hold it. Okay, so one more here. Yeah. Cannot get it right because it's an angle. I need another screwdriver. Let me try to get my small screwdriver. Yeah, I'll be back. Okay, let's see if this one can work better. Let's see. Let me try. So now I gotta look for another one. Let's see. Let's see, the screw is out here. There you go. This one's good. This one's better. Come on. Let's see if I can use it with my finger. Not yet. It's pretty comfortable there. Let's see now. I think it's loose already. Okay, I don't want to drop it. I got it. Okay, let's see. Let me take the thing off. We pick it up. Oh, I gotta take the. It's got a connector here. Oh, how this one works. Come on. This one's pretty hard. Let me see. He's got another one here, but this one is easier. This one is easier. Now this one still giving trouble. That one there. It's pretty hard to take it off. Let's see. Let me try.
feel no click or no clip there, I can press. Let me take the watch off. This is bother me. Hey, it's a little dark there. But the thing that we gotta press is that. You gotta press that to get it off. There's another one on the other side, but let me try. Let me see. Let me put the light there, maybe you can see well. Okay, let me see. Come on. Man. I can press, I can pull. Okay, there you go. You call me. That's it, done. Okay, let's take the thing off. The blower cover. Let's see now. Okay, it's coming out. It's coming out. Coming out, baby. You tell me it's another block there. You know, let's see something. Okay, I get it out. Yes. Yeah, right here. Okay, let's open this. Okay, got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Oh, this has got to be smaller. Smaller. And this one. Two more. And one more. Okay, let's see what we got inside here. Let's see what is inside here. There you go, right there. Bingo! Lift. That's all, lift. Look, here's the problem. This is the problem right there. Lift and a little stick. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna blow the thing up a little bit. And that's it. I'll be back. Okay guys, that's it. That's all. Just look inside the blower. It's always leaf, something there, some debris or something. That's it. This is the only fix for that. I gotta get one new of those one. I don't have it yet. So Amazon is about 25. I think it's $30, something like that. I gotta order it. See ya. We just got we're gonna continue with the AC blower cover. We just got it from Amazon. Today's delivery, only 45 bucks, right there. That's it. That's all we need. You can get an eBay also for $30 and $29, $28, $25. But I can't wait 5 days, you know. So my son needs the car, so it's ready. So let's put it back.
Got it. Okay, this is the engine of the car. Very clean, nice. It's a 528i, and we gotta open the thing again to put a new cover. Be right back. Look at that, guys. You remember how the thing was, so I took it off. So this is the new one. Now I gotta swap the sensor to this one here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do that down here. That's fine then. Okay guys, let's put it back. Let's press below screwdriver and just see inside. Just press it like this. Come on. That's it. It's out. Now let's put in this one. Like this, 1, 2, 3. See, not a big deal. I don't hear the click. I want to hear the click. Well, it's already there. It doesn't need a click. It's already down here. That's fine then. Okay guys, let's put it back. Okay, it's not a big deal. Just put it like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the sensor plug. Connect like that. Okay, let me make sure it's the right way. Hold on. That is inside. Yeah. Gotta be that way. Come on. Okay, yeah. This way. Facing this way. Like this. 1, 2, 3. That's it, done. Now pull the screws back. In there. Things there. And that's it. Not a big deal. Okay, just pull back the screws. Don't fall. I don't see the hole. Okay. Another one. The one is right here. Right there. But it's nice again to have a special tool like a small one like this, and you just pull the bit. The bit's a little longer. I don't have a short one, so let's see how can I do that one. It's nice to have all the tools for that. Let me do finger tight first, because there's not much space here to work. Let's see. Okay. Our cover is already on. Now let's put the board, electrical board.
connect in the back to the hole right there. 2 holes. Okay, cool. Now you gotta line up the screw side right there. Let me use the screwdriver. Okay. Swap. It's only 1 screw on top. Okay. Pull back the bar. Let me get the screw. Okay. Okay, now I gotta tie a little bit more with the ratchet. So try to give it some torque. That's fine now. And 15 millimeters socket. Now the final over, and that's it. We finish. Yeah. Now we're gonna test it again. Make sure everything's okay. Sometimes you gotta play with the panel. Okay. See what's down there. Slide now with the hose. Okay, cool. Let's pull the little plastic rivet. Okay, it's 1, 2, and the number 3. Secure. Okay, let's see the sound. Oh yeah, it's a beautiful sound. Let's see now, put it on. Okay, beautiful. No noise. Sounds gorgeous. We got it high to 60. The fan is 100%. And no noise at all. Quiet. Guys, you learn how to replace the AC blower dot cover. It's so easy to replace. It's only cost $45 in Amazon. So I hope the video was useful for you guys. Thank you so much, and see you later. Bye.
MKP Bukiti Video Production.